Hello and welcome back to this series of videos on how to perform retrospective image analysis using Google Earth imagery. In this video, we're covering this first step of the protocol. When observing nature, aerial images can be incredibly powerful. They allow us to identify plant species, estimate how much space they occupy, and even count individual plants. This becomes especially useful when studying invasive plants, which often spread quickly and transform ecosystems. But before we can recognize individuals from aerial imagery, we need to locate them accurately. That means going to the field and recording the GPS location of the target species within a selected area. This work can be complemented with drone flights, which provide a detailed perspective from above. The result is a set of georeference points for each individual plant. While doing this, we can also take notes about their size or other characteristics of interest. The timing of these surveys is key. For example, in semi-arid Mediterranean habitats, summer is the best moment because most vegetation is dry, making invasive species stand out more clearly. Choosing an area with at least 50 individuals concentrated within a manageable space ensures that no plants are overlooked. For each one, we mark the centroid with a waypoint. Alternatively, this mapping can be also done using georeferenced drone imagery. By programming a flight with sufficient overlap, we can generate an orthomosaic that captures the full area in high detail. Collecting this information provides the ground-truth data needed to train artificial intelligence algorithms. These models can detect additional individuals across the landscape and even track their presence back in time using historical images. This approach opens the door to monitor vast areas and protecting endangered ecosystems more efficiently.